Darling, why are you still up? It's really late, you know. Come here. Sleep is important. You were waiting for me? Oh, darling, I'm flattered, but you really shouldn't stay up because of me. You need your rest. Of course I could cuddle you. Huh? No, of course not. I'm not mad that you waited for me. It made me happy to hear that you waited. But you really shouldn't. I... mm, uh, don't say that. I'm not that cute. I'm flattered, really. But you're way cuter than me. You know it's true. You're so breathtaking. Sometimes I can't help but stare. You always get my attention. You don't even have to do much, you just have to be there. Whenever you walk into a room, my eyes instantly go to you. Oh, I'm sorry. I just realized how weird that might sound. But I'm only telling the truth. You're cute. Hey, I have something I really want to say to you. I'm really proud of you. I know that may sound random, but I really am. I noticed all the hard work you've been putting in. Seems like no one has recognized that, though. I want you to know that all the effort that goes into your work hasn't gone unnoticed. I see how hard you try, and your work is absolutely incredible. Keep up the good work, darling. Just don't overwork yourself, please. I love you so much. And you continue to amaze me every day. You really are breathtaking. I can't help but be impressed by everything you do. I love you so much. You're always there for me when I need you. And you always seem to know how to make me smile. You make me so happy. And I hope I'm making you happy in return. You deserve to be happy. You really do. I hate seeing you sad. It breaks my heart. Whenever I know you're sad, I try to do anything I can to make you feel better. And I know sometimes it's hard, but I really try, because you deserve it. You're so warm. I love that I could hold you like this. I really can't believe it. I'm so happy we're together, and I don't ever want to be apart. I'll be here for you but you probably already knew that. Please, don't be scared to tell me about anything. You should never be afraid to tell me something. Please, don't feel like you have to hide anything from me or keep the truth away from me because you're scared of how I react. You can never do anything that'll make me hate you because I love you so much. I think it's impossible. It's pretty late. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to ramble like that. I love you so much. I can't help it. I want you to know how I feel. And I want you to know that I'll always be here for you. Oh, I'm doing it again. Sorry. I guess I just can't fall asleep. I want to stay up with you, but I know we shouldn't do that. I really can't help it though. I just love staring into your eyes. Your enchanting eyes. I can't look away, even though I usually don't look people in the eye. I can't help it. Your eyes give me this great feeling of serenity. I can tell you truly care about me. And I hope you know that I care about you so much. I really do. You're important to me. So important. Every single day, I'm constantly thinking of you. I wonder how you're doing and if you're safe, even though a lot of the times I'm already with you. I still want to make sure you're safe. I want to protect you. I don't ever want to see you hurt, darling. I love you too much. You're so sweet. I really can't believe we're together like this. It's like a dream come true. Sorry, was that a little weird? I've just been dreaming of us together for quite some time. I really wanted to hold you like this and protect you. You're so warm. I feel so comfortable right now. I don't want this feeling to ever go away. I've been sleeping much better because of you. Every night, being able to sleep with you and hold you here does really help me. I'm sorry. You're just too cute. You're comfortable, right? I want to make sure you weren't super uncomfortable or anything. Oh, good. I always care about if you're comfortable or not. Your comfortability is really important to me, and it shouldn't just be important to me. It should be important to everyone as well. I never want you to be in a situation where you're uncomfortable. If anyone makes you uncomfortable, please tell me. I want you to feel safe all the time. And of course, I'm gonna do anything to make sure you're comfortable. I love you so much. I know I say it a lot, but I really do mean it. I want you to know how much I love you. You mean the world to me. I don't ever want to lose you. Your smile brings me so much happiness. You're perfect just the way you are. Even if you may have scars on your body, it's still perfect. Your scars make you unique, and it's something you shouldn't feel ashamed of. It shows how strong you are, and it tells a story. The story might not be the best, of course, but it's always going to be a part of you. It really shows how much you've grown and how much perseverance you have. I love everything about you. You're so unique. You shouldn't ever have to pretend to be someone you're not. You shouldn't try to fit in the crowd all the time. If people can't accept the way you are, then you just dodge the bullet. If those people really can't accept the way you are, then they don't deserve you. I think that people are too quick to judge all the time. It's something that comes so naturally, but it really shouldn't. I made sure to hold back my initial judgment when I first met you. Oh, I'm sorry. Did that sound mean? I'm not trying to be mean, I'm just telling you the truth. I'm really glad I held back that initial judgment and got to know the real you. I'll always love you for you. Even if you want to change things about yourself, I'll still love you. No matter what. I love you, darling. I wonder what time it is now. It's, pretty late. I didn't mean to ramble for so long. You like listening to me talk? You make me so happy. I really can't help but smile. You're so sweet. Let's actually get some sleep now. Good night, darling. And don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. I'll be here in the morning. And you'll wake up in my arms. I love you.